my chicken. I've just opened it up and washed it. For the brine, I'm using lemons, about 2 tablespoonfuls of brown sugar. We have ginger, some salt, mustard powder. You can also use mustard seeds, coriander, black pepper, and I'll use fresh thyme. That is just for the brine, because I'm going to make the final product over charcoal grill. This is what I'm gonna use for my barbecue sauce, or barbecue what is it called, for my basting, barbecue sauce for the basting. So I have barbecue sauce, butter, very little olive oil, and table salt. I'll also add here some juice from the lemon. So heat up your pan. I'm using a big pot because we're going to put in the whole chicken. So I'm not grinding the black pepper, so I just throw in the whole coriander seeds, then followed by mustard, just a bit of mustard. You can also use the seeds as well. Coriander, so stir that up nicely. And then you add in your water. Next, add in your sugar. And I've used 3 teaspoonfuls of salt. So the brown sugar is just to balance, to bring a balance to the brine. Next we go in with our ginger and lemon. So I need to add a little bit of more salt to it. So in your when you put your chicken in your braai, it just leaves it with a lot of moisture when you're grilling it, and very flavorful. So we'll wait for this to come to a boil, and then we'll put in our chicken when it's very, very hot, and turn off the heat so that it can absorb all the goodness. So you cover. I don't know if you can see. Let me just check. Yes, you can see. So we'll cover. So that it can come to a boil. So as you can see, our brine is just come to a boil. So I'll just turn off the heat. So next, you take the chicken, put it in. So you leave it there for about 4 to 6 hours. But since mine is hot, I won't leave it for long. I'll leave it for about an hour. I think an hour will be enough. Next you throw in your thyme. So I'm cutting it fresh. Yep, I'm cutting it fresh. So I think 2 twigs will be enough. We can do 3 because the honey ones. So you need to wash them. And then just throw them in like that. And then you cover and let it sit for, I think I'll make mine 1.5 hours. So next, we think of something else to do in the meantime. So it has been about 1.5 hours. There's our chicken. So first we need to baste it, and then we put it on the charcoal, on the grill. Next, I'm basting it. I already had my mix done. So you need to be very generous. So I just turned the chicken. So I need to add in some more barbecue sauce to it. And then I turn it back. I'm hoping to get a crispy skin. Our spatchcocked grilled chicken is done. We are having this with some fries and kachumbari. Captain Morgan is for clout.